Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can easily use monday.com views, what you can add them, how you can delete them, what kind of views you can find here, literally everything. So let's start. Now when you're going to enter your monday.com, the first thing you want to do is when you create your own project, you're going to click plus here on add a view, and then you're going to find all views here. Right before we add a view, click more views here. Here you have two categories of views, or even four: essentials, installed applications, apps by monday.com, and then you can find marketplace apps that are created by like companies. So let's say you can use Miro, which is a whiteboard platform, and you can add it to monday.com. So in this video we are going to focus on essentials and also for apps by monday.com. So on essential, what we can find here, we can find a dashboard that like dashboard is really great because in dashboard you would add whatever widget you want. So let's say a timeline, let's say time tracking, tasks, everything. So in a dashboard you can add widgets, and I'm going to show you how it works. So we have a dashboard, and look at this. These are the widgets. I can add a Gantt here, a workload, a chart, and numbers. In dashboard, I would click add a widget, and you can add the widgets right here, a chart. So that's how it works. Now when I go further, I can add a view, and I'm going to show you every single one of these. Gantt, this is pretty simple. Here we can plan, track, and present your project visually using Gantt chart. Timeline, visualize, see a breakdown of your team's workload by time, which is also pretty easy. Then I can click again, more view, files gallery. In files gallery, you will be able to manage and collaborate on your files with your team. Then you have a map view, view locations from your board on the map. So here you would add a column. So we need for like map, we need a column called location. And here we will be able to do that now. See, and this is how you can add a map. Map is a really great way if you're gonna like, let's say for real estate CRM, for the regard, it's really good. Now again, more views when we look at those. You have workload. Workload, you would see in workload how many tasks a person has and how overloaded they are with tasks and with duties, I would say. Then you can simply create a chart in which you can visualize and show data in your board. Calendar, you can view dates from your board in a calendar. Then you have option to create amazing form. So I'm going to also show the calendar here. In the calendar, we would be able to see all tasks. So let's say you can simply click add here and this month, and let's say this would be new task to do, create item. So also you can do, I'm going to add a date so we can actually find it in today. And voila, if we're gonna like refresh, we should be able to see it here. And this is pretty much it, how it works. But we need to, this is a project planning, all right. And this is July, August. So here we would like able to see just adding the items. And here it is. I just need to choose the view here, what we want to see. When we go further on the plus view, I can click more views, and I can easily choose a form. So when you would like have a form here, what you can do is form is literally similar. I created a tutorial if you would write on YouTube form tutorial, and we would find that these questions in your form always represent what you can find in a main table as a columns. So that's pretty much it, how it works. Then what I can do, I can simply again click more views here, and I can choose a Kanban. And what I wanted to talk to you about, guys, in a form is in a form you can easily like click here and I'll go to top left, edit form, and you can simply add a new question. That's pretty straightforward. And when you would add a new question, true and false, right? Now when I would go to the main table, wait a second, and I will refresh it, and if you're gonna fill the in the edit form, you should be able to see it also in true and false. So let me just show you. Form right now it's here, but you can also provide it in here. And if you have a main table in which you would add true and false or files, you will be able, you can also see it here, right? You can see right here files. So it's similar. Comparing also the Kanban. In Kanban, pretty straightforward. So you're gonna have the Kanban column here as a status. If you need to more deeply about every single one of those views, guys, just down below in the comments, or if you're gonna like search business guide monday.com and the view, and you can learn about it. We have the column status here, which we can see, and we can easily transfer tasks between all of these. Now we have option to also see like what you can have in your column. So that's pretty cool. And when we would go even further in add view, you have option to add a cart, which you can visualize your board items by using carts view gallery, and then also files here. And then you have option to find apps by monday.com, which is like Airtable, working status, for response viewer, pivot board, collaborative whiteboard. So literally everything. This is pretty much it, how you can use the views. It's nothing too difficult. Deleting is just clicking the three dots here and click delete. And that's how you do it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day. If you're going to have any questions, guys, regards views, let me down below in the comments. And that's pretty much it. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.